Let's make this. Sublimation allows you to make any candle you dream of. Designed in Canva, printed twice on sublimation paper with sublimation ink, taped to the vessel with heat-resistant tape. This isn't a special candle vessel, just a matte pink vessel I bought off of Amazon. We shrink wrap this for our sublimation oven and bake this candle at 390 degrees for 6 minutes. I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain candle vessels into works of art with sublimation and engraving. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.